we got a lot of this one cleaned up and put into the storage. Still got a lot to go. But as I've said many times, I don't have a ton of time to work on stuff. So the panels, the pumpkins, the tombstones, all them skeletons back behind there. And these guys, this is their permanent home. But we have a rainstorm coming tomorrow, possibly. So some of the stuff is just staged in here, so it won't be getting wet until we Tetris everything into here for its final spot. But there are some wood panels that are outside that are going to go flat up against this before we start actually putting these containers in here. And some of them are like almost full, so if I find something else that goes in that bin, then I can put it in, but it's pretty much done. And this isn't the best setup, but this is currently where all the support beams are, hidden underneath that tarp. And then all of the fence panels are back here. Eventually, once I get everything put in, I'm going to drape the tarp this way so that it doesn't get pulled up on the top like it often does. But I do have these little pieces down here to keep it off the ground for when it does tend to pull up on this concrete pad. And even though it's slow work, I'm getting this behemoth smaller and smaller each time. And then the rest of those just need to go in. Like I said, it's slow going, but hopefully I'll have a lot more time this weekend to work on it. Oh yeah, and then that's just trash over there. So excited for next year, already planning all of the goodness. I can't wait for you to see. But you'll have to.